It's Simply Rosita back with another unboxing video. Today I'm unboxing this coffee table that I bought from my living room from Temu. It was $39.34. I basically didn't pay for it because I had credits. And of course, I did get some credit back from the credit. I think I got $15 credit. I've had it for a while. I needed to unbox it. My cat's been using the box as a scratch pool, so the outside is pretty torn up. I figured I should get in here, make sure that I got everything. Okay, so this is the manual. This is the design of it. I thought these were gonna come in like little pieces that I have to fit together, but it's pretty much just the design, and I'm sort of okay, let me shut the hell up before I go any further because I'm not sure what's going on in here. So these are the warnings. How to care for it. Children should not climb or jump on the furniture. Okay, so from what I gather, and you're not supposed to use power tools to assemble it. And from what I gather here, it's quite easy to fit together. Just 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or maybe not. So I'm going to set this aside and get into the actual package. These are the screws and bolts. And this item is discontinued by the seller. You might be able to find it on Amazon. This is pretty taped up. It's just put together. I'm gonna have to cut the tapes, or maybe I should not. It's pretty taped up, so there's no shuffling, banging around during packaging. What's that smell? Here, I'm gonna have to uncut these tapes and see what's going on. Okay guys, so I got through the tape. So the side tables that I got were a gray color. I wanted something to match, but just a different shape. I have no idea what I'm in for. I'm just gonna rip this. Can't be bothered. So this is packaged. Superb packaging for shipping. I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. Probably. Oh my god. I was worried that it might not match. Color is not the exact match to the end tables, but this will definitely add another layer of color scheme because it's gonna be white, gray, and black, kind of like a industrial boho chic. So this will definitely pop next to it. This is the bottom. This is the bottom shelf. The only thing I don't like with this is these little slots in here, because like you absolutely cannot put water on this because it's gonna, like a cold cup or anything like that, you cannot put it on here. You would probably have to use a good coaster, because these slots, when the water gets in here, it's gonna make the composite wood swell. I'm assuming that this is composite. I don't think this is real wood. Oh, it's heavy. It's flipping heavy. So this is not going to flip over easily. And I have cats, which is why I have to be very selective about this one. Oh God. And the top is the same. If you're hearing popping, that's my son popping up the bubble wraps. I see some right where they cut this thing here. You can see a little cracking, like right there. That's the only thing that scares me about it. So I'm guessing that this is gonna be pretty fragile, and there's a chip right here. Let me get this off. Okay, so it's pretty much, ow! Why don't I just feel like I got electrocuted? So it's a pretty decent size, and this is supposed to be a 30 something inch, and this is, it's bigger than what I expected, which is good, because the space is small. It's dusty. It's very dusty. And I think that has a lot to do with the color. Yeah, it's very dirty. But I am not disappointed. I thought it would have looked more brown, and that's what I was concerned about. But I am grateful that this is the color. It kind of looks like a tabby cat. And I am obsessed with it. I can't wait to put it together and see the entire living room come together. But if you want to see that, you have to subscribe. I will be doing the video assembly video for these, and I will be posting them, as well as the progress of the house. This was pretty decent for $39. Well, it was on sale for $39, and I did get back credit. So yeah, this was definitely a steal and a good haul from Temu. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.